So let's check out the box and see what comes inside of it. Here we have a free motion quilting starting guide. This is an excellent guide just on how to prep up your fabric, how you're going to get the most out of your frame, out of your practice fabric, and how to load your frame, whether that is a continuum or a hoop frame. You have a step-by-step guide here to show you exactly how to do that. So this is really nice. I love that it's spiral bound, so you can fold it over, you can lay it flat. That is terrific. You've also got some tracing practice sheets. So these are designed to help you practice tracing these designs, practice whether you are quilting on a home sewing machine on a frame for the first time, or you're quilting on a long arm. And you have some blank pages at the end so that you can have some extra practice, some small designs, whatever you need, as much tracing help as is going to work for you. So here is the big deal. This is going to be our fabric, our batting. We have some backing fabric, batting, and of course our practice free motion quilting fabric, but we're going to open that last. I want to go through and see all of our goodies in here, what all this is about. So Finesse is Grace Company's thread line, and you are going to get 2 nice spools of Finesse. This is 1,500 yards, and it is a polyester thread, 50 weight 3 ply. And you also got some pre-wound bobbins here. So if you are working with a home sewing machine, most home sewing machines are compatible with the 15 class bobbins. There are a few sewing machines that take these L class bobbins, and of course if you have a long arm, you're going to want these M class bobbins. All right, we've got a little card here to share all the different colors of Finesse and our pre-wound bobbins. That's really handy. And we've got a little marking pencil. This is great. So this is going to help us mark designs on our fabric, and we've got a pencil sharpener so that way we can keep that point nice and pointy and be able to mark our designs. All right, now it's time for the most important part, and that is opening up our fabric pack, our quilt panel, seeing how all of this looks. I'm super excited about this, guys. This is really something that I think is going to help so many quilters get the hang of free motion quilting, whether it's on a frame or it's on your home sewing machine. It doesn't matter. It's always going to take a little bit of practice, a little bit of patience, a little bit of trial and error. And I love that they have put this together for us. Okay, so this is, looks like about 24 inches wide, and you can see it has cute design. Started out like just a simple wave. I call that wiggly U shapes. It's a great place to get started. And it starts you out with a solid line. It goes to a dashed line, and then you get less and less of a dash, and then you're on your own for that last little bit. I think that's great. It's going to get you started making that shape on your own. You're going to first form it and have some assistance, and then you're going to start realizing, oh, okay, how do I form that shape? How do I space that out? And then how do I quilt that by myself? So we've got some loopy lines. You got a little bit more complex loopy line. We've got the loopy line over some diamonds, so that way we can start seeing what it's going to be like to stitch on our patchwork. Love that. Looks like we've got some more loopy shapes. And then this bottom part of the panel, we've got some plain spaces, so you can go in there and play and just come up with your own creative design. I've got a little bit of plain fabric here at the end. So I am super excited about this. I cannot wait to give this a try on my frame. As you can see, we've got plenty of batting and backing fabric in order to get this loaded on the frame and begin free motion quilting. So that's it for this video. I hope you are excited about following along as we take the starter kit, get it on our hoop frame, and begin quilting and practicing together. So this is going to be a multi-part series. I hope that you'll join in the fun. Come and check out your free motion quilting starter kit at leahday.com/FMQ start. Until next time, let's go quilt.